What's up, guys? It's me, Chili Chimpy, and you've probably already seen the trailer.
Jesus Christ,
You guys probably already seen the trailer of my real tech remake and Rec Room. And so I just want to show you guys how to make this get daily tiny rocks thing. So let's get into it. Sorry, it was very loud. I couldn't hear myself, so I had to delete the music. Anyways, let's get into it. First, get your maker pen, and we're gonna need these circuits. First, we're gonna get a time get universal seconds. If you use a quick second, I'll give you some time, so I'll just put it right here. Next, we're gonna need a less than. We're gonna need a less than right here. Boom, less than. Then you're gonna need an if chip. And no, you don't have to change the condition to true. I wouldn't recommend it. Now you're gonna need a int variable. Boom. Right here. Just like that. There's gonna be a lot of circuits, but don't freak out. It's gonna be pretty easy. You're gonna need an add. Then you're gonna need a reward currency. Then you're gonna need a room currency constant. And you're gonna need a player show subtitle. I'm gonna fix that a bit. Actually, you're gonna need another player show subtitle right here. And lastly, you're going to need a normal button. Make sure it's CV2 or it just says just button. Don't get this one. Okay, so now we have all the circuits. We're gonna configure some stuff. And no, this is not complicated. This is actually pretty easy. Okay, so you're gonna want to configure your int variable to cloud variable. Do not press sync, it will ruin it. Now you're going to change int variable. You can keep it to the int variable, but I'm gonna make it to make more sense. So I'm gonna put it as claim time. Doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to make sense. Don't forget to press submit. Cloud should be right there. So this add part right here, we're not gonna get there yet, but it is really important. Player show subtitle, we're gonna configure right here where it says subtitle and change it to what you want. So I'm just gonna change it to hooray. You claimed your daily free. Now down here you're gonna want to put something like you already claimed your daily free. Boom. Time for the wiring. Unwire the value from the get universal second to the top to this add right here. Now this is the part that says very important. Now the add chip right here in the value, value right here, that's the seconds. If you want it to be, I don't know, like hours and then you get your reward, or a week and then you get your reward, or a day you get your reward, whatever, I'll list them right here so you know what time it is. This is where you want any player to wait for their reward. Anywho, I'm just gonna put a day, so I'm just gonna go with this one. But since this video is gonna be short, I will just make it to 1 minute. Then boom, that's the seconds the player's gonna have to wait. Now first, before we start the tutorial, you need to have a currency. Now I'll make this in a different video, but right now this is just your daily reward tutorial. Forgot to mention you have to wire value to be wire result to condition. There you're gonna want to connect your if chip to your button or trigger volume, doesn't matter. Now you're gonna want to put the sum to claim time, your then to the claim time, and your else to if you already claimed it. I forgot to mention, by the way, you're gonna want to configure your room currency, then select the currency. I got Shiny Rocks since this is a grow tag game that I'm making, and then connect room currency to currency. Sorry, I forgot to mention that, but you could just do that now. Your claim time to run, then run to player show subtitle. You can also change how long you want that text to be, so the duration, I'm just going to make it 5 seconds. You can do the same thing too if you already got your Shiny Rocks. You want to choose how much the amount you want to give. So I'm just going to give 100 each day. You could change this to whatever you want it to say. So right now, I just got get daily Shiny Rocks. And yeah, let's see if this works. Let's see if I got it. Yep, I did. So it works. And then now you're done. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll show a tutorial video if you don't know how to add currency in your room. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.